Okay, give me a moment. I'm getting breaking news coming in before I bring in our guest once again. The Prime Minister has just tweeted after his conversation with the US President. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has tweeted after holding talks with President Biden saying, discussed COVID situation both in India and the United States. The Prime Minister goes on to write, thank President Biden for support provided by the US to India. Discussion with Biden underscored the importance of smooth and efficient supply chains of vaccine raw material and medicine. That's the statement that's coming from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Twitter handle about the conversation with US President Joe Biden. Discussed the COVID situation both in India and in the United States. Thanked President Biden for support provided by the US to India. Discussed with Biden the importance of smooth and efficient supply chains of vaccine and raw material and medicines. Sandeep, I want to understand, look, we are now told that the United States is providing raw material for Covishield. Wasn't Aadhar Poonawalla looking for raw material for Covovax and not Covishield? Or are we looking for raw material of both, Sandeep?
Gaurav, it appears from the US statement that we were looking for raw materials for both. And this has very clearly been brought out by the statement of the United States yesterday. But Gaurav, going beyond this, the most important point here, touching upon what the Prime Minister discussed with the President, is the fact that both India and the United States are in a mutual relationship of, when it comes to vaccines, producing vaccines. And this is something that the Foreign Minister Jaishankar has also stressed last week when he was asked about why India choose to export vaccines even when we had a problem back home. He said, look, it's a two-way street. You cannot stop, exporting vaccines because you have something like a global supply chain. You cannot just take raw materials and say, I'm not going to be exporting, vaccines. That's a very important point, Gaurav. And I think this statement today underscores this very complex issue of, America first versus Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.